Hey everybody, Monty. Week 10. Whew, finally through distance. Oh, those were hard Mathia problems. Okay, let's start some circles. We've been doing vocabulary in class, and we just now starting to wrap up on the vocab. Let's see what they teach us in Mathia. Okay, so we got a little video to watch here. Move our little guy.
Let's talk about circles. A circle has a lot of parts. There's the center of a circle. Every point on the circle is the same distance from the center.
Equidistant.
A central angle of a circle is any angle that has its vertex at the center of the circle.
Central angle.
Given a specific central angle, the minor arc is the arc intercepted by the sides of the angle.
Circumference.
The major arc is made up of all those points on the circle that are not part of the minor arc.
Semicircle is exactly half.
A semicircle is exactly half of a circle.
Diameter goes through the center. Oop, diameter is a chord
A diameter
of a circle because both line segments are
on the circle and passes through the center.
Okay, so chord and diameter both have endpoints on the edge.
A chord is any segment that has its endpoints on the circle, whether it passes through the center or not. You can create some nice visual patterns using chords.
I messed up chord, didn't I? Just like in period 4. Irritating. Sorry about that. All right. Segment NP is a chord. Okay. AB, tangent. Okay, remember to read over here the tangent to the circle. Tangent, where it touches at one spot and one spot only. Point of tangency is D. Oop. Capital letters D. All right, right there. Okay. And MN is called a secant line, where it goes all the way through the circle. Okay, I think we did it. All right, let's see if we can drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop. TOQ, TOQ, central, TOS, central. Then inscribed is where the vertex is on the edge of the circle. So ZKU, ZKU, inscribed. ZO, anything with an O is going to be a central, because the center is O. Oh, there it is. O. RW, RWK, RW, that's outside, UV, UV, outside, UR, URE, okay? All right, now circumscribed, outside, where the center is on the inside of the angle, okay? All right. Cool. See what the next vocab is. Okay, now intercepted arc, interior angles with endpoints of intersection, TOQ, TQ, TOQ, TQ, ERU. ERU is EU. KOM, KOM, KOM. We'll use three letters, KUM, KUM. How about just KM? Okay. The two endpoints only. We don't need the third one. RWK. RW. RW doesn't work. RWK. Oh, just RK. All right. MOZ. MOZ. ZM. ZKU. ZKU. ZU. Cool. Should have one more problem here. Okay, now arc, DM, DM, arc line, circumference, minor and major. Major has three letters, minor two letters. So arc FHI, 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 FHI is a major. How about small, lowercase, major arc? Okay, a C, minor arc. Okay, and NPQ. NPQ is half a circle, so semicircle. See if that's all one word. JML, JML, major arc. Cool. We finished a workspace. So hopefully that was helpful for circle vocabulary. Thank you. Okay, more arc work going on here. Okay, all right.